Hello everyone and welcome back to our another tutorials topic. So today I'm exploring for how efficiently index and select data with a pandas data frame in Python. So understanding this concept is crucial for effective data manipulation. So now let's look down. So here I'm create for the basic and the standard indexing and the selection using for the brackets. So is the most basic way to index and select data in a data frame using for the brackets. So this method allows us to easily access columns and specific rows. Okay. So now let's create. So you can see here, first of all, I'm creating here is a simple data frame. So just type of the data is equal to use for this proper curly brackets. So in this insert, first of all, I'm create here the name field. Okay. And now I'm create for the sample name. So you can see first of all and type of the name is a Jenny, then and use for the name is a Zohan, then another person name for is a Smith, and here I'm create for the another name is a Alice. Okay, so you can understand, and then I'm going for and here I'm create for the age column. Okay, so you can see I'm just properly type the age. So it's 25, then 30 and also 35. Then use for the age of the 40. Okay, and next time create for the city information. So just I type for the city, sorry, is a city and then create flow. And this insert and include for the city name. So first of all, here I'm type for the city is a Chicago, and the second person city for is a just Los Angeles, and another person city name for it's in New York. Okay, so just time properly type it's a New York, and then I am create for the another city name for it's a Miami. Okay, that means it's perfectly done. And now, so the next is the topic here I'm creating here properly defined for the data frame. So just type for the TF is equal to type for PD dot is type a data frame and this inside I'm include for in this simple data. Okay, and now first of all I'm selecting a single column. You can see and this type for is underscore column and is equal to type for df and this inside I'm include for the column name for age. Okay, and then I create for here is a print function, and in this inside I'm just type for is a selected for in this the age. So and this type is properly is that selected age column. So you can see I'm properly type this column and then another line I am print for in this the age column. That means it's properly creating here the selecting a single column. And now just I'm saving this all code and just see the output. So you can see and just click on this run, and as you can see here, so first of all printed for the selected age columns. You can see here the all age here, and you can see the lastly print the name for the age and the data type for integer is 64. Okay, that means it's perfectly show the output with a single column. And next time printed for here is selecting a multiple columns. Okay, so now just going for again the next line of code, and first of all here I type for is a name underscore in this the city, and is equal to type for the df and this inside and include. So first of all I am include for here is a name column, then I also include for here is a city column. Okay, and then I use for again the print function, and in this inside I am type for is say again the selected first time type for is the name column, and also here I'm create for is a city, then type for its properly the city columns. Okay, it is perfectly done. And now I'll just again use the string function, and this inside I will include for here is the name underscore city. That means in this example, I have properly first to create data frame with columns for the name, age, and the city. And to select a single column and use for the DA for the age, please give the age column as the Pandas series. And next time select for the multiple columns and use the double brackets for the DA for the name and the age, which return a data frame containing only the name and the city values. Okay, so here is the properly create now. I'll just select in all for and properly save, and now just click on in this diagram. So now as you can see here is a properly print, supposed to be print the selected name and the city, supposed to be print for the person name, and here is the print for the person city. That means it's properly working for in this example. Okay, so now that's it, and here I'm properly covered the basic of data frame indexing and the selection in Pandas. Okay, so this technique are essential for any data manipulation task in Python. Okay, so now just thanks for watching and happy coding. Okay.